Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation. I'm starting with a standard ball bearing. I need to make sure it's completely clean. Next, I'm taking a flat piece of metal and placing the bearing on it to mark the position with a marker. This will be where I place the bearing, giving it a stable base for the welding process. I'm placing the cut piece of metal onto the bearing. I'm going to weld this bearing directly onto the small metal plate. You can see the sparks fly as I create a strong, permanent bond. This bearing will act as a foundational pivot point for our tool. I'm attaching a circular metal bar onto the bearing. I'm welding a threaded rod to the metal plate on the bearing, ensuring it's securely attached and can withstand the forces at play. This connection is crucial for the stability and functionality of the tool. After welding, there's always some slag and rough edges. I'm using a chisel and then a wire brush to clean up the weld. I have a smooth metal bar here, and I'm measuring and marking a specific point with a ruler and marker. I'm clamping the rod securely in my vise. Now, I'm cutting the rod at my first mark using an angle grinder. Look at those sparks. This cut needs to be clean and straight to ensure all parts fit together perfectly. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I'm attaching two metal bars together to form a T-shape. Once the welding is done, I'm back to cleaning. I use a chisel to chip away the heavier slag, then a wire brush for a smoother finish. I'm threading a T-shaped metal rod onto the threaded rod, holding the bearing. I'm adding a small nut to the assembly. This nut will be used to secure another threaded rod, providing adjustability to our tool. I'm welding the nut to the threaded rod on the T-handle assembly. This secures the rotational part of the mechanism, making it stable and ready for operation. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm using an angle grinder to cut the threaded rod near the nut location. Next, I'm taking a large U-shaped block of metal. This block will serve as a base for our punching machine, so I'm making sure it's sturdy. I'm marking a point on the metal block using a ruler and marker. This mark indicates where I'll drill hole for mounting and for the punching mechanism itself. Now I'm drilling a hole in the metal block using a drill press. This hole will house a crucial part of our punching tool, so it needs to be perfectly perpendicular and the correct size. I'm continuing to weld around the base of the tube, creating a robust connection. This ensures a secure and permanent attachment to the base. After welding, I'm cleaning up the joint with chisel and wire brush. Removing the slag reveals a clean, strong weld that's ready for the next step. I have a small round metal block, and I weld it to a small rectangular metal bar. This creates a small lever arm that will be integral to the punching action. Strong welds are essential for durability. I have an engine valve here. I'm threading it into the metal block. I just welded. I'm assembling the engine valve assembly. This valve will act as a gasket and guide for the punch pin. Every weld contributes to the tool's overall strength and longevity. This ensures that the two components are permanently joined and won't loosen during use. Finally, I'm cleaning the last of the welded connections. This final polish makes our DIY punching tool look professional and ready for action. I'm adding a spring to the valve. It plays a crucial role in generating elastic force, supporting the moving mechanisms, and ensuring the plastic or cardboard stamping process is accurate. I'm now preparing the handle for the tool. I'm welding pieces of metal together to create a mechanical handle for my homemade tool. After preparing the handle, I welded it to the homemade punching tool to complete the project. Let's test out its effectiveness. I'm testing a homemade hole punching machine made from this aluminum composite panel sheet. Let's see how easily it can punch perfect holes through this white plastic sheet. Our incredible homemade punching tool, crafted from repurposed metal. This DIY device proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things. If you enjoyed watching this project come to life and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.